Drones were a game changer to begin with, but mini drones have taken it a step further. The best mini drones open up a whole new world of capturing epic shots of your trip that are entirely your own. Here are the 10 best drones currently on the market, taking into consideration each one's price and feature level. RUKO F11 Pro. The RUKO F11 is an entry-level priced quadcopter with a compact and portable design. The drone can fly at a maximum speed of 26.8 miles per hour. The drone is built from durable materials, specifically ABS plastic, with some reinforcement from aluminum parts. It adopts the foldable quadcopter design, making it a neat package to transport. With a relatively fast charge of 3.5 hours on the 2,500 mAh battery, the F11 Pro can stay in the air for up to 30 minutes. It offers a maximum 1.2 km control range. When using a transmitter, however, the range drops to just under 500 meters. The drone's camera lets you shoot 2.7K videos at ultra-high definition, while stills can go up to 8.3 megapixel, making for very detailed images. The camera has a 120-degree wide-angle lens that captures everything with the 120-degree field of view. Overall, the RUKO F11 is a great quadcopter choice for enthusiasts looking for an affordable drone. Potensic A30W RC. Potensic A30W drone is a mini-sized quadcopter designed for beginners and new drone users. Its 720-pixel camera transmits images in real time over Wi-Fi, and controlling the drone in flight is as easy as tilting your phone, thanks to the gravity sensor. The drone has built-in propeller guards that are made of durable ABS plastic. The camera doesn't have any gimbal, therefore you have to be extra careful when you want to record something. 2 batteries nets about 15 minutes of flight time, and 3 fan settings give you more control for safer use indoors. The drone is integrated with several beginner-friendly features like the headless mode and altitude hold. Setting a flight path and stabilizing it is simple in the app, as is the single-tap button for takeoff and landing. If you're looking for an entry-level camera drone that sports FPV mode and doesn't cost too much money, Potensic A30W absolutely fits the bill. Yuneec Mantis G. The Yuneec Mantis G is a compact and portable drone, pre-configured with autonomous flight modes. The drone is equipped with a camera that can make 4K Ultra HD video recordings at a maximum of 30 frames per second. It can be controlled with a smartphone via the controller that is included with the drone or by voice control. The camera itself uses a gimbal mechanism, which mechanically stabilizes its footage, making the videos look smooth. It is equipped with an interchangeable lithium polymer battery, which offers a flight time of over 30 minutes. The drone has an internal memory of 8 GB, which can be extended further using a micro SD card slot. It also has a return-to-home function that can be manually activated or automatically triggered in tough situations. If you're a content creator looking to cover more angles, the Mantis Q is a good investment. Hubsan H107 Desire. Hubsan X4H502S is one of the best toy-class, easy-to-fly drones from Hubsan. The body of the drone is made from tough plastics and weighs just 155 grams. It flies very stable, holds a hover quite well, and the FPV through the 720-pixel camera gives you that fun flight experience. The drone has a beefy 610 mAh lithium polymer battery, which keeps the aircraft flying for just over 12 minutes. It has a decent flight range that maxes out at 250 meters. This drone is designed with 8.5 GHz wireless video transmission and 2.4 GHz FPV transmitter. The return-to-home feature supported by GPS will allow you to safely bring your drone home in case you lose contact or control of your drone. Finally, if you want a nicely rounded drone that won't cost the earth, then it's worth shortlisting the H502S as a possible option. Hubsan H107. The Hubsan H107 is a fairly entry-level drone, great for those learning to fly. The sturdy design of this model grants beginners the freedom to do a lot of experimentation without the fear of breaking anything off. It uses a 5.8 GHz transmitter to broadcast a live feed of what its camera sees in real time. The package also includes a high-capacity lithium polymer battery and has a 6-axis gyro, which makes maneuvering this model very easy. The charging time of the model is 40 minutes, while the flying time per session is 6 to 8 minutes. There are a few drawbacks though. It has no GPS, so this quadcopter with camera cannot hold its position in the air. Its control range is only up to 100 meters, so you cannot have it flying out of range. Otherwise, it would be hard to track. All in all, for a tiny drone that can do many things, the Hubsan H107 is not bad at all. Walkera Rodeo 110. Walkera Rodeo 110 is a compact and tiny quadcopter that is suitable for indoor flying. It comes in RTF or BNF versions. BNF means it does not come with a controller, and you use one of your existing controllers to bind with the drone before flying. RTF means the drone comes with a controller. The frame is mostly made of high-quality 2mm carbon fiber with small amounts of non-structural plastic parts, which makes the aircraft very sturdy and able to survive many crashes. It can perform roll and maneuvers at a high rate and surprising speed. The remote control on the Rodeo 110 has DEV07 technology, which should make controlling the drone that much simpler. It comes with an 850 mAh lithium polymer battery, which can keep this drone flying for 6 minutes on one battery charge. To sum up, if you are a beginner FPV racing pilot, this is a great drone for you. It has all of the features of a larger racing drone, except for a GPS system. Holystone HS510. Holystone HS510 is the newest addition to the HS quadcopter family. The drone features a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 120-degree wide field of view. It's capable of taking crystal clear aerial photography and can shoot 4K videos at 16 frames per second or 2.7K videos. It comes fitted with a 7.6-volt lithium polymer battery, which should be enough for a maximum flight time of 16 minutes on a single charge. It supports Class 10 or above memory cards with a maximum capacity of 32 gigabytes. The maximum transmission range for this drone is around 600 to 800 meters on a good day, and for FPV, it's around 200 to 300 meters. On the downside, the camera does not have any kind of stabilization feature, so you will notice distortion like shakiness. Finally, if you are looking for a cheap GPS drone with some decent features and a good camera, the Holystone HS510 will be a good choice. Parrot PF72 A000 ANAFI. The Parrot ANAFI is a small, folding drone with a 4K video camera and gimbal stabilization. It is slim and lightweight thanks to carbon fiber and plastic construction. The ANAFI's camera shoots 4K video and raw images and offers a lossless digital zoom when rolling at 1080 pixels. With an impressive flight time of 25 minutes, the drone can reach speeds of up to 33 miles per hour. The built-in USB Type-C port lets you recharge the ANAFI in 1.5 hours. The ANAFI has a GPS and will automatically return to its takeoff point if it loses connection with the remote control. There are downward sensors to help it stay steady when hovering. The remote controller is very simple and basic enough that beginners will have an easy time learning how to fly the drone. Honestly, if you're looking to have your hands on one of these professional-grade camera drones but don't want to spend too much money, then the Parrot ANAFI drone is a good choice. DJI Mavic Mini. DJI Mavic Mini is the company's latest attempt at making an entry-level drone. Its camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal with a smartphone-sized 1x2 3-inch image sensor for 12 megapixel stills and 2.7K video capture. With a flight weight of under 250 grams, it is small enough to throw in a little bag and carry with you all the time. It is rated for 30 minutes of flight, with a max speed of around 29 miles per hour. A remote control is included, but you'll still need to attach your phone and install the DJI Fly app, available for Android and iOS, to see the view from the camera. The Mini doesn't have any sort of forward or rear obstacle sensors, like you get in the Mavic Air, nor are its imaging and video capabilities as robust. Finally, if you're looking for a small, travel-friendly drone that can shoot high-quality video, then the Mavic Mini could well be worth considering over its newer sibling. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 is the second generation of the company's least expensive, and in many ways most compelling drone. The drone's camera can shoot 4K video at up to 30 frames per second. When folded, the drone can slide into a jacket pocket as it weighs just 249 grams. It will also fly for up to 31 minutes at a time, which is remarkable for a drone of this size. With DJI's groundbreaking OcuSync 2.0 technology on board, this drone will continue to send real-time transmission images from up to 6 miles away. The drone includes transceivers for both GPS and GLONASS positioning systems, tools that work to pinpoint its location on a map and improve its ability to hover almost perfectly in place. That said, if you have some experience flying and just want a highly portable, really fun-to-fly drone, the Mini 2 is my top pick.